What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a lot walk for you today in the warehouse. Got a bunch of classic cars for sale. 20 total in stock. We're going to do a full lot walk. I'm going to show you guys everything we have in the warehouse. We've been busy, guys, traveling, buying a bunch of cars. Stuff's been selling so fast, we really haven't had much time to make full lot videos, so we finally have one in. If you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button, guys. Subscribe today, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite car of everything we got. Do you like the direction we're taking the company? I hope you do. Trying to buy better units, clean cars. And we also have our project lot in Penndel, PA, that we are going to be doing video from there. So stay tuned for that as well. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. We got this 1968 Chevy Camaro. This thing's beautiful, beautiful color. Blue with the white vinyl top, white stripe. It's sitting on rallies, got the traction bar. Beautiful car, body lines are nice. It's got a 350 under the hood, paired with a 4-speed Muncie. So it's manual brakes, power steering. Shines beautifully, looks good. Got this one listed for $45,000. Just a nice car. It's a ready driver, ready to go. Looks good. If you watch my previous video, you see me go out and buy it. Bought it from an elderly guy not too far away. You can check out that video on our YouTube channel. Let's move on. 1969 Chevelle. This is a little bit different. Under the hood, we got this beautiful LS1. It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioned, fuel injected, upgraded radiator, runs and drives great. It's got these American racing wheels. This car's nice. Trip black, beautiful interior, horseshoe shifter. You can see my reflection real good in the paint. Definitely a nice car. Doesn't have too much flaws. Paint is not perfect, but it is a nice one. Okay, then we have this 69 Malibu. This has got a 350 under the hood. Power brakes, power steering, air condition, bench seat, sitting on a set of rallies, vinyl top. Got this one listed for $36,000. Car came from California originally. It's a good driver, not a show car, but it definitely is a good driver. Moving on, behind us real quick, we'll get a couple of these foreign cars. We got this 87 Jaguar. It's got 40,000 miles on it. Clean interior. It's been in the same family since new. Got this one listed for $10,000, buys it. And then we got this Porsche. It's got a little bit of dust on it. It's been sitting in our collection. This one is up for sale. 73 Targa for $50K. Runs and drives excellent. I got maintenance on it since new. It's a one-owner car. Moving on, we got this 67 Mustang Coupe. This has got a fuel injected 5.0 T5 manual transmission, all upgraded. Beautiful condition. Let's look under the hood. $26,000 buys this car. Beautiful car. Then we got this Mustang 65. This is 289, 4-speed, top loader. Pony interior. It's got the GT headlights and the grille. Beautiful engine. $45,000 buys this. And we got a super, super rare one here, guys. Extremely rare. This is a 69 Nova L78, 396, 375 horsepower. Very rare. 4-speed, bucket seats, 60 grand buys this. Pretty rare car. Moving on, got another Mustang here. Beautiful color. Very different from what you normally see. Automatic transmission. It's got AC, power steering, power brakes, 289. Got to get this one detailed. Just got it in. This is clean. 26.5 buys this one. Beautiful color. This is a C code. This one's a 66. Just overall a nice car. And we got a little Mopar flare here. 71 Duster. This is a H code 340. And it's just in beautiful shape. Real nice car. Chrome is nice, interior's nice, drives good, runs good. This car's all there. Real nice car. It was done right. 45,000 buys this. This one's not cheap, but it is in great shape. Okay, moving on. 67 Camaro. This is an AC car, mostly original car. Beautiful wheels and tires, vinyl top, automatic transmission, 327, 42.5. Then we got another Duster over here, 70. This one's got a 360, automatic transmission. It's more like a resto model. It was all redone, this car. Guy spent about $40,000 in receipts. This one I need $33,500. And we got another Mustang here, fastback, AC car. This is a California plant, San Jose car. Need $45,000 for this one as well. Automatic transmission. It's clean inside. Then 70 Chevelle, big block car. Then we got this 70 454 car. Beautiful car. This one is sold. It is a 4-speed, but this one is gone. Then we have 69 Mustang 351. Power steering, manual brakes, 45,000. 1979 Camaro. This is a 79 Camaro with a 350 V8. Got power steering, power brakes, beautiful tires and wheels. Body's in great condition. Interior's not too bad. You got a little tear in the seat right here. Well, not even a tear, but just a little bit of wear. It needs to be dyed. And there's a little tear here. Automatic transmission. This car's clean, got no rust, no rot. Runs very well. Beautiful looking car. Got this one listed for $18,500. $18,500. She's ready to go. Moving on. 57 Chevy Bel Air. Just got this detailed. Ready to go. This car's beautiful, all restored. This has got a 350 Jasper engine under the hood. Automatic transmission. The color's very unusual, guys. Let me know what you think of it. 40,000 buys this car. Runs and drives excellent. Sounds good. Looks good. It's clean. It's nice. 40 G's. Then we got this truck here. I believe this is a 63 F100. This has got an inline six, 3 on the tree. Got this one listed for $14,500. $14,500 buys this one. Step side, runs nice, drives nice, looks good. Got a Fox body convertible with about 80,000 miles on it. Got a little bit of wear in the bumper, as you can see. Got this one up for $11,500. Beautiful looking car. All right, guys, remember, this is just a quick lot walk just to see some updated inventory. All of our cars will be on our Instagram, YouTube shorts. We do walkthroughs, we do startups, and also we will have walkthroughs of each car on our YouTube channel, guys. Appreciate you checking out our page. God bless the USA. I'll talk to you guys later.